Crazy pump alert. Shiba Inu Coin just signed the biggest deal ever in history. Shib News. Meme coin Shiba Inu recently registered a decline in its price. Though the developers are leaving no stone unturned to burn large amounts of tokens daily, their efforts are not reflecting on Shib's chart. Furthermore, Shibburn just recently announced that they plan to launch a new iOS, Android, and Alexa skill for the Shibburn Radio application. Today we're going to talk all about what's going on with Shiba Inu Coin right now and why you should hold 10 million Shib tokens. Welcome to Shiba Inu Coin, your daily dose of Shiba. If you're interested in everything around Shiba, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Shib news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Shib news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on the 19th of September, shall we? Shiba Inu price has breached a critical support confluence, indicating a shift in momentum from bulls to bears. This development comes after undoing the mid-August gains and could set the trend until Shib finds a stable support level to bounce off of. Shiba Inu price plunged below a critical support confluence at 118 millionths of a dollar after 4 weeks of grappling with it. The development might look like a bearish move, but if this trend continues, it will set Shib up for a long-term play. For now, Shiba Inu price can drop 20% before encountering the imbalance, aka the fair value gap, extending from 92 to 83 millionths of a dollar. A retest of this area will be an ideal place for buyers to step in and trigger a trend reversal. The chart below shows that the market makers could target the liquidity resting above the equal highs at 179 millionths of a dollar for a long-term play, indicating the total potential gain for investors is roughly 95%. There are two ways this setup could ruin. The first one is by a premature rally in Shiba Inu price, and the second one involves Shib flipping the 87 millionths of a dollar support level into a resistance barrier. While the former scenario does provide an opportunity to squeeze gains, the second outlook would invalidate the bullish outlook for Shib. Since the price could form the triple top or reverse down, the profit level can be around these levels for an extended period of time with a brief 43% uptick. A decrease in the weekly support level at 87 millionths of a dollar is anticipated if the point of control collapses. Price either holds above 118 millionths of a dollar and surges to 28 millionths of a dollar, or price breaks through the point of control and drops to 83 or 93 millionths of a dollar. Now let's get back to the topic. Shibburn just recently announced that they plan to launch a new iOS, Android, and Alexa skill for the Shibburn Radio application. The app will further increase Shib's burn rate, which has already spiked considerably over the last few weeks. Interestingly, Shibburn revealed that more than 1.36 million Shib were burnt in the last 24 hours. Will all these movements help the Shib ecosystem and affect its price action in the coming days? As of last week, Shib gained 3%, which can be considered as a satisfactory gain. However, at the time of writing, the alt was down by 6% in the last 7 days. At press time, Shib was trading at 1,175 millionths of a dollar with a market capitalization of $6,450,286,234. A major reason for this decline could be the after effects of the merge, which pushed several altcoins' prices downward. But several other metrics were also to blame for Shib's recent price decline. For instance, the market value realized value (MVRV) ratio went down along with the daily active addresses. These can be taken as bearish signals, suggesting a further downtrend in the coming days. Moreover, according to CryptoQuant's data, net deposits on exchanges were high compared to the 7-day average. This can be interpreted as higher selling pressure in the market. Nonetheless, a few metrics also indicated a trend reversal as Shib's exchange reserve continued to fall. This could be taken as a sign of lower selling pressure. Moreover, Shib's social volume also spiked considerably in the last week. This indicated increased interest from the crypto community in the meme coin. Shib's daily chart revealed an ambiguous scenario, as certain market indicators suggested a downtrend, while others pointed out a possible trend reversal. The exponential moving average (EMA) ribbon registered a bearish crossover, which further increases the chances of a price decline soon. The moving average convergence divergence (MACD) also painted a similar picture, as it showed a bearish edge in the market. However, the relative strength index and Chaikin money flow provided some relief as they moved slightly upward. Shibarium developer Unification has also revealed a few important updates on the forthcoming Shiba Inu Layer 2 protocol, including specifics on X-Fund and a Shibaswap bonus. According to an official announcement from the Unification Foundation, plans are still underway for the fourth alpha and public testnets of the upcoming protocol. The announcement also doubles down on plans for these testnets, slated for the end of September or sometime shortly thereafter. Unification reminds the community the deadline for final X-Funds claims is near. On August 22nd, the Unification Foundation successfully minted the last X-Fund and set a 1-month maximum claiming period ending on September 22, 2022. After this deadline, the smart contract will burn any unclaimed X-Fund tokens. Unification also states that the final supply could be less than the initial 10K planned, and specified that as of the time of writing, the current supply was 9,888. On the Shibaswap bonus, some X-Funds will be claimable until next year. The announcement states that although the smart contract will burn leftover X-Funds, unclaimed tokens from the Shibaswap and X-Fund yield portals will be available for withdrawals until early 2023. Depending on the outcome of a planned governance proposal, the X-Funds will transfer to the Unification Community Fund. Tokens will be used to reward participants and members of the community who contribute to innovation and other efforts to advance the network. The first public beta testnet will focus primarily on developers and delegators so that the network is ready for all participants upon official launch. The announcement also specifies that the upcoming public beta will ensure that the mainnet launch is secure by fine-tuning the process of fixing bugs in open testing. Also, all interested validators will be allowed to join the beta in preparation for the mainnet launch. Furthermore, the announcement promises support for the Ethereum merge. Unification plans to provide support for ETH2 as well as the old fork, as it believes this is the best course of action for the entire sector. We will endeavor to continue supporting the original fork in addition to the new ETH2 network. Given that Unification looks to support all expansions of decentralization, we believe providing the best tools possible for all channels serve the greater blockchain world. Update on Shibarium's Bone and Shi tokens. The network has officially suspended minting Bone in compliance with an earlier concluded community decision. Bone, the official gas for the Shibarium protocol, has now hit the 230 million mark, the upper limit decided for Bone farming. In June, the community decided to stop minting Bone at 230 million to allow Shibarium validators access to the remaining 20 million of Bone's total maximum supply. At least 20 million Bone is necessary for normal protocol operations. Shiba Inu has also hinted at launching multiple tokens, including Shi and Treat. While Shi will be the ecosystem's official stablecoin, Treat will exclusively function as a reward token. That's all for today. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. We hope you liked this video. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Shiba holder, and make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at Shiba Inu Coin. Bye!